Let's go visit the animals on the farm.
Yeah.
Come on, kids.
Wow, you think there are any laughing hyenas there?
On a farm? That makes me laugh just thinking about it. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Aw, here, kitty, kitty.
Meow meow. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a mouse, E-I-E-I-O. With a squeak squeak here and a squeak squeak there, here a squeak, there a squeak, everywhere a squeak squeak. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Look at that funny little mouser. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a turkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there, here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble gobble. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Gobble gobble. That's hilarious. Listen, it's a laughing hyena. That's just us laughing, silly.
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had an owl, E-I-E-I-O. With a hoo here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Woo-hoo! Old Macdonald, that's who!
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some goats, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. It's a billy goat. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a donkey, the happiest donkey I know. With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And they lived happily ever after.
Except for the laughing hyena. We couldn't find him.
Silly.